Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes, it's our biology period, right? After that, at 10:30, again, I'm having the biology period. Is it clear?
Yes.
Because I don't have chemistry book with me right now and do not have board. So I'm not using board and not taking chemistry class. Is it clear to you?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So at 10:30, bring again biology subject. Now we are
Okay.
looking at the blood groups. We have completed the antigens and antibodies. What do you mean by antigens? Antigens are the protein present on the surface of the RBC, right? And antibodies are the proteins that are produced in response to foreign substance. To someone is making noise. Where from this noise coming? Okay. Antibodies are the proteins that are produced in response to a foreign substance that enters our body to protect from. It is on 88, 86 page number. Okay. Antibodies are the substance which are produced in response to foreign substance to protect from foreign substance. And antigens are also protein, and these are present on the surface of the RBCs. Now the next topic is blood group. There are 86. Page number 86. Laksh. The blood of all human beings in is of four types. There are four types of blood groups in all human beings, and they are A, B, AB, and O. Is it clear? There are four types of blood groups: blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB, and blood group O. Depending upon the presence or absence of certain antigens and antibody. We have studied about antigens and an antibody. Depend whether they are present antibody and antigens in that particular group, they are classified into four groups. There are four groups of blood group. See, blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB, and blood group O. There are four types of blood groups. In blood group A, see, I told you antigens and antibodies, right? Antigens are present on the RBCs, and antibodies are the protein which is present in the plasma. So, in blood group A, antigens are present. It means RBC, the protein present on the surface of the RBC is present, but antibodies in plasma is also present. It is A. Antigen is A and antibody is B. In blood group B, antigen is B and antibody is A. There is opposite to each other. If there is a antigen A is present, then antibody is B. Then antigen B is present, then the antibody is A present. In case of blood group AB, antigens A and B both are present. Both are present in blood group AB. But there is antibody is absent. No antibody is present in the blood group AB. Antigen AB is present, but antibody absent there. In blood group O, no antigen is there, but antibody AB is present. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Blood transfusion. Sometime a person has been operated or is serious injured, है ना? There may be a heavy loss of blood that can even cause death. Due to the injury or operation, loss of blood is there. Due to this, death may be happened. Such a person must be given blood from outside to save her or his life. To fulfill the rules of blood, blood is given from the outside, and this transfer of blood from one person to another is called transfusion. Is it clear? What is blood transfusion? The transfer of blood from one person to another called. Where from this noise coming? Lex, what is the problem? Transfer of blood from one person to another person is called blood transfusion. The healthy person who gives blood is called donor. The person who gives blood to another person is known as donor. And the person who receives the blood is known as recipient. Is known as recipient. Matching of blood. How we can match the blood? Blood transfusion can only be done when the blood group of the two persons match. If both the person are having same blood group, then they will ready for the donating of blood and receiving of blood. When a person receives blood that does not match his or her blood group, she may even die. If no matching is there of a blood group, then by mistakenly any this blood group can be transferred to the another person. It may cause death. This happened due to the clumping of red blood cells. Due to the clumping, they clamp together, they make a cluster, uh, accumulate at a one place, and due to this a person can die. Here is a table of information about matching the blood group. Blood group A, B, AB and O. The blood group A can donate two blood A and B. Blood group A person, if any person having blood group A, it can donate from, it can donate blood to blood group A and blood group O. But it can receive from blood group A and blood group O. Cannot receive from the blood group B and blood group AB. Then if a person having blood group B, it means it can take from the blood group blood group B and AB. It can give the blood. The blood group B can donate his or her blood to blood group B and blood group AB. But it can receive from only B and O. It can receive from only B and O. If a person having AB blood group, it can donate only AB. The person who is having blood group AB, it can donate only the person who is having only AB blood group. And it can take from all the blood groups, from A, from blood group B, from blood group AB and from blood group O. So it is known as the universal recipient because it can take from.
Ma'am, good morning.
Yes,
Ma'am, good morning. I'm Leena.
good morning, ma'am.
Actually, ma'am, I have to ask students who is this रुकैया? ये रुकैया कौन है? रुकैया तो 6th क्लास में कोई है नहीं.
मैम शकीना.
Okay, okay. So students kindly log in with your name, okay, not with your parents' name. Otherwise, your attendance will not be marked. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. A person having O blood group, it can donate to blood group, all blood group. It can donate blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB, and blood group O. It can donate to all blood groups, but it can take only from the blood group O only. Due to this, it is known as universal donor because it can give to all blood groups, but it can take only from the blood group O. Do you know what is your blood group?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your blood group?
A plus.
A plus. And other one? You should know this. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. A person having blood group AB can receive blood of all groups. It can receive from all groups, from A, B, AB, and O. So a person having blood group AB is called the universal recipient. Then a person having blood group O can donate blood to all groups. So a person having blood group O is called a universal donor. My blood group is O positive, and someone is asking A positive. Now tell me, to whom you can give your blood? If you are having blood group A, then to whom you give your blood, you can donate your blood.
M and B
A,
and group B.
repeat your answer.
Ma'am A.
A, only A. You
Ma'am
can
O
donate
also.
A and B. You can donate A and B. But tell me, from whom you can take blood if you need?
From A and B.
A and
B. B. My dad.
A and
B.
because
Sorry.
O is the universal donor, it can give its blood to all the groups. See, see the table. Can receive from blood group in every A and O, B and O, all A, B, B, A, B, A, B, and O only. So O is the blood group which can give to all groups, which can donate to all blood groups. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ask to your parents about their blood group and your brother and sister. If you do not know your blood group, kindly go and get information. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what is the limitation for donating blood group? You don't know. It should be required 18 age. At the age you cannot give blood, donate blood to anyone. Whenever you got 18 years age, you can donate your blood. You do not have any disease. These are the essential thing: blood donation and blood bank. When a healthy person give his or her blood to someone who needs it, when a person donate blood, it is called blood donation. It is known as blood donation. Blood is required during the time of surgery or any other medical treatment. During the operation, may be possible ki some blood loss will be occur, and due to this they are keeping sufficient amount of blood to recover that loss of blood at the given time. Normally, at a one time, normally 420 milliliter of blood is taken from a donor. If you are going for a blood donation, it means you will donate your 420 milliliter of blood. Then blood donation is a very important social work. From this you can save many lives, so go for this. It is because there is no substitute for blood, and it can save the life of a person. We cannot make blood outside the laboratory, in the laboratory or outside the body. So this is the only thing. Substitute, there is no substitute. It means only body can produce this, make this blood. So there are no adverse effect of blood donation. If anyone donate blood, no any other side effect and adverse effect on our body, as our body quickly recovers the withdrawal blood. Whenever the blood is withdrawing from our body, it start to making or recover the blood. Blood bank, a place where blood collected from donors is stored and preserved. In blood donation camp, there is in large amount of blood is collecting. After collecting this blood, a place where blood is collected and preserved and tested, that place is known as blood bank. Same as the bank for the money, here is a bank for the blood, so it is known as blood bank. A blood bank stores blood of all types. It can store all types of blood. It can provide large amount of blood to many people at a time, because we are in blood bank there are many kinds of large amount of blood is there, so we can save many lives at a one time. Keeping the heart healthy, how we can keep our heart healthy, these are the some precautions and there to follow them. It is very important to keep our heart healthy. Obesity is the process in which a person get a lots of fat and weight. Excessive weight is known as the condition of excessive weight is known as obesity, is very common nowadays. Is cause many heart problem due to the having fat and weight. They causes from many heart diseases. Ways to keep the heart healthy: exercise and keep me healthy. It means heart is saying exercise and keep the heart healthy. What are the um, do regular exercises? Regular walking, jogging, cycling help to keep the body healthy. These are the some process of keeping heart healthy. Play outside game. Go for the outside in the ground, in the field. It is a good form of exercise. Do not eat oily and fried foods. Do not eat too much oily and fried food. Avoid junk food like pizza, burger, all that things. Do not eat too many sweets. Do not eat too many sweet also. And toffees. Excessive fat and sugar increase weight. Include fresh fruit and vegetables in your diet. Eat fiber-rich food like whole grains, cereals, oats, carrots, etc. Take these type fiber-rich food in your diet and reduce in intake of salt. Do not take too much salt. This is all about the circulatory system, blood group, blood pressure, pulse rate, heartbeat, all the things. If you want to ask anything, do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Everything is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, take the correct option. The average heartbeat of an adult person while resting is what? 70 to 80, 60 to 70, or tell me, at resting time, it means at the time of sleeping like this. It is what? 60 to 70. Option
70.
B. Okay, next is a doctor listen to your heartbeat with the help of what? Microscope, sphygmometer, stethoscope, or none of this?
Stethoscope.
Yes, right answer. Answer C. We cannot feel our pulse at which place? Inner wrist, temple, side of neck, or forehead?
Temple.
No, it is D, forehead. Answer is D, forehead.
Forehead.
Yes, a sphygmometer measures. The instrument sphygmometer measures what? Pulse rate?
Blood pressure.
Yes, right answer. Good, good. C, option C is the correct answer. A person having blood group is called the universal recipient.
AB.
Good. Right answer. A person having blood group is called universal donor.
O.
Good.
O.
Yes, right answer. Now, state whether the following statements are true and false. And rewrite the false statement true. Our heartbeat increase when do any physical activity like running and cycling.
False.
Why?
True.
Yes, true. When we are going
True.
for the cycling and running, we are doing physical work, and due to this, it increase our heartbeat. So it's a true statement.
True.
Yes, a blood bank stores blood of only a single group.
False.
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 So how we can write it again? A blood group stored blood of all kind of group. In place of only a single group, we have to write all kinds of group. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Obesity causes many health problems.
False.
True.
False.
Obesity means fatty hona, means mota hona. Excessive fat and weight is there. Due to this, a person cannot work properly, and it causes many health problem, many heart problem. So it's a true statement. Okay. Playing outdoor games weakens the heart.
False. No. Yeah.
False.
No.
False. Yes, right answer, false. So how we can rewrite it again? Playing outdoor games
We
Strengthen the heart.
make for
Makes the,
strain the heart.
yes.
Strains in the heart.
Then eating fresh fruit and vegetable is good for health.
Yes,
Yes.
true.
True answer. Answer true. Yes, true.
True.
Okay. The in 10:30 class we will do the assessment which is given on the page number 81.
Okay, ma'am.
Try to find the answer of this assessment and try to find the answer of this exercise also which is given on the page number 80.
Okay, ma'am. 80.
80. Exercise of this lesson. Circulatory system. Okay. Are you ready for this? Who is ready? Okay, for this time, I'm leaving the class. We will meet at 10,
Ma'am, on which page number?
80 and 81.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, we will meet soon at 10:30 with this same
Okay,
subject,
ma'am.
with biology.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
bye.